Sarawak is taking steps to expand its collaboration with Brazil in cattle farming, with the state planning to import beef and engage in research partnership with the ruminant industry. Following the initiative, a delegation led by Minister for Food Industry, Commodity and Regional Development, Dato Sri Dr. Stephen Rundi Utom, visited several cattle farms, research facilities and slaughterhouses in Brazil to observe the technology and methods employed. In a statement on Friday, Dato Sri Dr. Stephen highlighted the importance of the visit in learning about the development of the ruminant farming industry in Brazil, a country known for its significant beef production. He explained that the visit was aimed at assessing the cleanliness and disease-free status of the livestock, as well as the technology utilized by Brazil in light of Sarawak's interest in importing zebu cattle from the country. During an interview with Brazilian media, Dato Sri Dr. Stephen explained that one of the objectives of the visit was to explore collaboration opportunities between Sarawak and Brazil, particularly in learning new technologies such as artificial insemination, including the use of sex semen and embryo transfer technology.
The intention for us to come is to hear from you what you have done thus far. And we're trying to not only emulate, we're trying to see what we can do together to collaborate to make sure that we also have another center, research center, and also breeding in back home in Sarawak. I'm very impressed with first-hand information that I've seen for myself how you do especially artificial insemination and so on. We have visited a few countries in Indonesia, Thailand, and so on. And they're quite the same, but you have done it a very simple way. And one of the things that we have learned is conventional and also use modern technique using straw and so on. We hope one day we'll be able to collaborate and do it together. Perhaps I will send some of my officers to come here to be trained if it's okay with you, so that they'll be able to do for our center back home in Sarawak.
The Sarawak delegation visited several key locations in Brazil, including meetings with Brazil's Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock and Food Supply, MAFA, and the Brazilian Agricultural Research Corporation, Embrapa, which is involved in livestock research collaborations. In addition, the delegation toured several processing plants and slaughterhouses in Goiânia, Uberlândia, and Uberaba, as well as the ABS Global Center and laboratories renowned for their expertise in cattle breeding technology. Dato Sri Dr. Stephen emphasized that the mission of the visit was to explore investment opportunities in Sarawak's cattle industry, which currently relies on imports from Australia and New Zealand. At present, Sarawak's cattle population stands at around 22,000, with a target of increasing this number to 80,000 by 2030, aiming for 25% self-sufficiency.